everybody? First traveling together with...
Lazat.
Alright, that was really lame and gay because you already know that we're together for... I would say the time, but probably should have hit me because I don't know the exact one, the month. Anyways, we are packing together. We are going to take you guys with daily vlogs throughout the next upcoming 2 weeks to journey. And this is how we're going to pack. That's the bag. As you can see, 4-class Quechua, 70 liters. And before I start, Lazat, can you introduce my love, please? What are you taking with you? We are going to Malaysia for a couple days, but mainly Sri Lanka, Maldives, Burma, just before the monsoon season. So it's going to be possibly wet, but definitely super humid and hot. Average temperature daytime 28 to 35 and nighttime 25 approximately. So my love, give us a heads up to the people as a first traveler.
Alright.
A sexy traveler.
I took 2 kind of dress, 2 pair of shorts, 1 skirt, 1 swimming pool, towel. I took 3 pair of shirts.
There we go. guys, my fellow brothers. Even she admits she was lying.
5 pair of shorts.
Shorts? T-shirts. 5 pairs of t-shirt. 5 t-shirts, sorry.
Should I say about underwear?
No, I'll take hidden pictures of that. It's cool. And this is going to crack you up, everybody. Oh my goodness.
SPF.
Whatever it is.
Alright. Shampoo. I don't know, it's water to wash your face.
Let me repeat you if you didn't hear before she starts with this. That's water to wash your face, and this is, my love. What do you use this for?
You know what?
Well, I do, but the people who doubt if I'm insane, then you could...
For brushing your skin. For doing the massage. And what else?
There's another pack of necessities.
It's gel for washing your face.
But the water is for washing your face as well, right?
It's
So it's a different water.
It's a gel.
Okay.
Small amount of cream for nourishing.
So guys, again, travelers, she says it's small amount, okay?
It's for per day.
Anyhow.
Okay.
Yeah, a pair of shoes. People know that.
Pair of shoes.
Sorry, how many?
2 and 1 I will wear.
It's really nice that this camera cannot show you my heartbeat, guys, or my sugar level.
Just 1 head.
And just 1 head. Brilliant. Alright, so that's her.
I tried hard.
And she tried, guys, all respect goes out to her because she was planning this, not the traveling part, but definitely the packing part, and she was stressed. She has no idea how much I've been stressing about it, the packing. Anyway, so for the rainy days, I got a pair of sneakers, which I'm going to throw out afterwards, as I've been running in this one for a while. Yeah, you get the idea. All the love stuffs and the hygienic stuffs. Raincoat, a pullover if it's cold, because as you know, Thailand and usually the tropical countries, Southeast Asia, the air conditioning is just on a different level over there. I would say 1, 2, 3, 4 t-shirts, 1 shorts for swimming, 1 long sleeve if I happen to go to mosque to confess my sins, 1 pair of trousers, again for the air condition, 4 pair of socks, 2 underpants, and the one I'm wearing. Super crucial, guys. It's so easy to forget this one, but this is actually a raincoat for the bag, or back coat, I'm not sure what's the name, because it's Southeast Asia, so monsoon season is around the corner, so we expect some pissing weather. Of course, charging the watch, and yeah, to keep the camera dry. This is the protective camera, and yeah, that's all. We head off with 500 cash US, but of course the debit card is always in my pocket, just in case, and that should stretch out for 2 weeks. We'll see how it goes. So that was our first packing day off. Look at my love, she's, I don't know what she's doing, praying / stretching, whatever it is. I hope you feel the vibe. We're super excited. It's 8 o'clock now. In 3.5 hours, 11:30 p.m. We're taking off from Almaty with Astana all the way to Kuala Lumpur, where the journey begins. Stay tuned, because tomorrow we're checking in again. Bye.